Okay, so I have a disclaimer. I have my little one with me, so if you hear any cooing, it's him. So when you first start, you do want to make a copy just in case. So you're going to go to File and hit Make a Copy. Please bear with me. My internet is acting up at the moment, unfortunately. So you do make a copy, and then that way you'll have the original in your design folder forever, or for as long as you have the account. So what makes this template so great is the photos. So make sure that your photos have transparent backgrounds or have white backgrounds so that they could blend in, or black background if you want to change all these backgrounds here to black. And if you did want to do that, you would just click the background and then hit this color box here and click black. And then usually a box will show up here that says change all to black, but let me undo this. Let's try another page and see if it'll pop up. This is all due to my internet. So usually a box will pop up where you can hit check all, and it'll change every single page to black or whatever color you desire, because there are 93 pages and you don't want to have to do each one by one. So that is an option for you. Okay, and so when you want to change the text, you want to click on it. You can either select it all or just erase, and then type in what you would like to type in. I'm gonna undo that just because I just wanted to say cookbook. If you want to change the fonts, you want to click up here and either type in the font of yours specific to your brand, or you can click on it and go through the different brands that Canva has. I'm sorry, the different fonts that Canva has, because they do have a lot. They have a whole lot, and so you will not lack in the font area. You can play around and figure out which font works for you. When it comes to the photos, you could either just delete them by clicking on it and hitting delete, or you can let me find food. I probably should have gone with plated food. And so because these all have backgrounds, it's not really going to work properly, but you could just drag and drop over that photo, and then you could either crop it so that it fits the way that you want it to and hit done. You can flip it horizontal or vertically. It is really up to you what you want to do, how you want to display your photos here. And the same applies to every page. So I'm going to undo this because I do like the original photo that's there. But as you can see, everywhere you see a text box, you literally click on it, select, and then type in whatever you would like to type in. Table of contents. You have your actual recipes, which you'll see down the line. But you have the ability to literally click on all the text, drag and hover over the photos to change them, so on and so forth. And so that is what you'll be doing throughout this entire template, because it is literally text and photos. I already explained to you how to change the background photo. I'm sorry, the background color. If you did want to make the background an entire photo, you literally drag and drop over the background and you would do it like this. And so I just wanted to show you a few things that you can do there. As I mentioned, it's all text and photo. And so you're literally dragging and dropping and selecting and changing the text. And so anything that has to do with text, you'll find your options up here. Your font size, font color, bold, italicized. There is underline. If you click the ellipsis here, you'll see underline. If you want it to be all uppercase, click that, or unclick it so that you can make it lowercase, or however you type it. Position, forward, back. You wouldn't really need to do this for text because It's not overlaying anything. If you wanted to make it transparent for whatever reason, you would do so here. And if you wanted to link it, you can also enter a link here and hit apply. So that is what you'd be doing for a template like this, or any template for a matter of fact. And once again, you can select and hover over, or just delete the old photos there and then put in new ones. These are all Canva photos, so they will be there when you purchase the template, or you've already purchased it, so you'll see that it's already there. Feel free to send any questions you may have to the email that will be provided to you on the website. So you have the opportunity to submit a ticket. Feel free to do that if you're confused about anything at all, and we will get back to you. Oh, also, if you want to download, you want to hit this button here, and you can download all 93 pages, or you can turn it into a digital file where you can share. And I believe sharing is only for pro accounts. So you can share it for people to view so that they don't edit it and change up what you've created. And then that's how you can share this as an opt-in or however else you plan to use it.